Ek het nie gedink aan ek maak hulle dood nie.
How dare you sit with the others?
Ek het gedink ons gaan nou na die Jesus toe en niemand gaan hulle nie seermaak of hulle plan nie.
Okay, and you understood that ending their lives would be wrong.
Ja,
Yes, you.
op daardie oomblik het ek nie gedink dit is verkeerd nie. Ek het gedink ek doen die regte ding.
At that stage, Joseph, I didn't think it was wrong. I thought I was doing the right thing.
So there's another aspect, man. You indicated that at some stage you stopped. Did you stop the vehicle? Or
Ek wou gestop het
I wanted to stop
op die berg
on
om my man te bel
the mountain, Joseph, but I wanted to call my
dat hy
husband,
vir my moet kom haal.
for my husband to come and fetch me.
but you didn't.
Nee, want as ek gesê die beach binne my het vir my gesê maak klaar wat jy begin het.